Check out our newest feature release. Is All Of is now available in custom dashboard widgets. This allows you to filter and showcase details for contacts with all specified tags. Now you can easily filter and view contacts that meet specific criteria by grouping them as tags together. You're going to be able to gain a more comprehensive understanding of contacts by refining your dashboard widgets based on multiple tag conditions. This update is also going to allow you to streamline your workflow and focus on contacts that meet precise criteria. So our CRM now allows you to group tags using the all of condition inside the dashboard. This means that you can filter and display information based on contacts that have all specified tags, providing a much more detailed insight for you and your business. So let's go ahead and access that dashboard. Go ahead and make sure you are on the dashboard in the left-hand navigation, and from there you can go ahead and select the pencil icon for editing the dashboard. Now I want you to go ahead and tap the plus add widget button and go ahead and select the widget type to be added. This is really going to be based on what you need to see those insights about. So it could be anything. Now from there, we're going to go ahead and add this new condition. So click on Conditions and then click on Add Condition. Now we're going to go ahead and select tags for filtering. So make sure to go ahead and click Tags is what you're going to be filtering by. And this is where we're going to see that new option, which is the Is All Of feature. So it's simply just is all of, and that way you can add multiple tags. And this way you have another way to put all of the related contacts on your dashboard so that you have access to everything. This is perfect for those of you that really love to be able to see the details and understand what you're doing. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.